Hi all, I am Gurjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover Java abstraction. Okay, so it is very important topic of interview, and it is an OOPS concept. So let's get started. Okay, abstraction, abstract classes and methods. Okay, data abstraction is a process of hiding certain detail and showing only essential information to the user. Abstraction can be achieved with either abstract class or inheritance. The abstract keyword is a non-specific modifier which is used for classes and methods. Abstract class is a restricted class that cannot be used to create object. To access it should be inherited from another class. Abstract method can only be used in abstract class. It does not have a body. The body is provided by the subclass that is inherited from. So we have abstract class, we have abstract method, which have no body. Okay, without abstract, it is not the abstract method, it has a body. Okay, and this is the difference. For example, it is not possible to create an object. Okay, we can create an object of abstract class. Okay, to access abstract, we need to inherit from another class. Okay, so now we will inherit. So see, abstract class is there, one abstract method is there, and one regular normal method. We said non-abstract method. We have subclass that extend animal, that is pig class. Okay, we have given this. Okay, we have given the implementation for that method. Now we have to call. We have created the object of pig, that is subclass, because we can't create the object of abstract class. By pig we are calling this, and by pig we are calling sleeper. Okay, so let's try it. See, the pig, this sound we have given the implementation here. Same line is printed for sleep. So here it is printed. Like this you can use abstraction. Okay, so why and when to use abstract class and method? To achieve security, hidden certain detail, only show the important detail of an object. Abstraction can also be achieved with inheritance. Okay, so if you have any question, please comment, I will answer it. Okay, please subscribe my channel, do like my video, please do share. Thank you, bye bye.